Hey guys, Nikki here. So, some super exciting news that I really wanted to share with you guys. Couple of things. First, I have been invited to teach at the Photoshop Creativity Summit this March 23rd to the 26th. How to create your own creative artistic textures. Now, these textures are not just a typical texture that you would make and use over top of images. They look a lot like this one. Now, this is the image that I'm going to show you. We're going to create this texture during the course, and then I'm going to show you how to apply it to a portrait in a very different way so that you get super unique, amazing looking images that, oh my gosh, if you're running a portrait studio, you're going to want to know how to do this because mothers go crazy for this. I show you how to make sure that all of your colors match the texture with perhaps wardrobe or headpieces like this. How to use so many different items to create your textures. And in this particular course, if you get the VIP pass, not only are you going to have access to the video indefinitely, but you're also going to get a whole bunch of freebies. So you're going to get a whole texture pack, you're going to get a massive no tool brush set, and you're going to get a set of pattern stamps as well that you can use with the pattern stamp tool. So I'm really excited about this one. You really need to join in and learn how to do this and create magical images. In the painting set, I'm going to walk you through with baby steps. So even if you have absolutely no experience painting in Photoshop, I'm going to walk you through the brushes that I use, the types of brushes that I use, what images make for the best painted results. That is hugely important because some images are just not going to be good candidates for painting. Other images are going to be spectacular for painting. So I'm going to show you the difference between the two and which ones, in my personal opinion, make for the best paintings. So after we go through all of the fundamentals of painting in Photoshop, at the end, we're going to put it all together in one fabulous painting. The lineup of instructors that they've got for this Photoshop Creative Summit is absolutely amazing. You're going to learn all about AI, how to use AI. You're going to learn all about compositing. You're going to learn so many different creative things to do in Photoshop. This is not a standard Photoshop summit. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Now, I know that painting in Photoshop is probably my most popular course on my platform. I believe I've got over 21 lessons. But for this particular lesson in the summit, I decided to show a whole bunch of new stuff that I haven't actually taught yet. And for that reason, that's why people who are even a part of my platform should join in. This is jam-packed full of information. And using my brush set and my methods after you watch the lesson, you will be dying to dive in and try it yourself. It's just so much fun. Let's take a look at some of the images that you could make after you finish the course. So I'm very excited. I want you to know about the early bird pricing, $99 if you purchase before the summit. If you only get the free pass and then you decide during the summit, oh my gosh, I have to get the pass, it's going to be $159. So my suggestion is that if you're at all on the fence, just jump in. It's $99. And you're going to have lifetime access to all the videos, and you get all the downloads that every instructor is giving as well. The free pass, you only have 24 hours access to the videos, so it's really well worth it, and I highly encourage you to join us. I really look forward to seeing you there. So do it, sign up, join me. I can't wait to see you. See you there.